Hey guys, today I'll show you how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. Firstly, kindly open your Instagram app. To remove anyone from your share list, kindly share a video to them first. For this video, I'll be removing this person. After that, kindly follow these next steps carefully. After blocking the account, the person should no longer appear on your share list. As you can see, we no longer have the Instagram account on our share list. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.